Hi there, I am Tiffany Ledwicki, and I am so happy that you found me. I have been working with people who have myofunctional disorders, which are specifically impacting their sleep. Myself, I was a snorer, and my daughter was born with sleep apnea. And so my journey was only shown to me when she came into my life. And since then, I have been working with families to improve their entire sleep, emotional regulation, and quality. And I want to help you with yours too. This guide that you have downloaded is a self-assessment. It's to put the right information into your hands so you can be an advocate for your health. I am here should you wish to do something with that information. If you need me just to help you assess your findings, I'm happy to do that and refer you to wherever you need to go. I'm also happy and would be honored to help bring you to the point of clarity and success on your sleep goals. I do that in many different ways and many successful approaches. And so I look forward to finding yours and helping you in any way that you need.